Thank you very much. We're now out of breath. That was pretty much straight klezmer, the Jewish music of weddings and bar mitzvahs and so on, joyful. This next one is an arrangement Helen's done of a traditional Welsh tune called Y Derwydd, which is the Druid. Thank you very much. We're going to stick with the Welsh stuff now. We do mix it up as well, so before the end you will hear what we call Klesraig, which is our mash together of Welsh style and klezmer style. So look forward to that. But in the meantime, we'll be doing a beautiful Welsh love song, Ar Lan y Môr.
Especially for Dion, who's just arrived.
Ar lan y môr, mae rosys cochion. Ar lan y môr, mae lilies gweinion. Ar lan y môr, mae nghariad unai yn cysgu'r nos a codi'r bore. Ar lan y môr, mae carreg wastad, lle bym yn siarad goer am cariad. Y ddwy tu hwn, mae taim yn tyfu, a chembell sbrygyn o rosemary. Llawn yw'r môr, hws yn y cregen. Llawn yw'r wyn a melyn. Llawn yw'r coed, o ddail y blodau. Llawn o Ar lan y môr, mae rosys cochion. Ar lan y môr, mae lilies gweinion. Ar lan y môr, mae nghariad unai yn cysgu'r nos a codi'r bore. Diolch yn fawr iawn, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The next tune we're going to play is in fact a mixture of the klezmer you heard earlier and the Welsh. We're putting these together and cunningly calling it Klesraig. So this two tunes are the Dancing In-Laws, which is a klezmer tune called the Dancing In-Laws, and a Welsh tune called Croen fy Mam yn Cyffraith, which is my mother-in-law's complaint. We start with the Welsh tune.
What Helen, in her modesty, has not told you is the third section, which is a mixture of the two tunes, is of her own cunning devising, and is our new genre, which we call klezraig.
It's just sort of mashed together, really. It's quite easy.
I think it's brilliant. There we go. Right,
Flowers.
moving on.
This is one of George's brilliant songs while we're being nice to each other. Brilliant. This is
You can tell we haven't played together for a while.
I know, we like each other.
We normally fight on stage.
And we're agreeing on the set. This is unusual too. This is Flowers by the Road.
I have never seen your face, but I know some of your pain. Walking down a lonely road, and here, lying silent on the verge, the message fading with the rain. There are flowers by the road, frozen moments play again, flashing through my head, the point of no return, and the blue lights in the rain. And there are flowers by the road, and it's happening again. I've been shouting in my sleep and chasing shadows through the pain, and flowers by the road. Now, going back to see the place, through the mist of memory, spinning round the vision's blur. And now, walking slowly through the mud, all that's left is broken glass. And the flowers by the road, frozen moments play again, flashing through my head, the point of no return, and the blue lights in the rain. There are flowers by the road, it's happening again. Been shouting in my sleep and chasing shadows through the pain. Flowers by the road. Waiting for another day, waiting for another day. Waiting for another day, waiting for another day. have never seen your face, but I know some of your pain. Walking down a lonely road, and here, lying silent by the verge, the message fading in the rain. There are flowers by the road, and third and third again, flashing through my head, the point of no return, and the blue lights in the rain. And there are flowers by the road, it's happening again. Shouting in my sleep and chasing shadows through the pain, and flowers by the road.
Thank you very much. We're going to do some more traditional Celtic-y things now. This is an Irish tune and a couple of Scottish tunes. The Rights of Man reel, followed by Mrs. McLeod's reel and Atholl Highlanders. Mic.
Very good. I'd like to dedicate that to my new accordion friend who likes Jimmy Shan. So there.
Hi. These were a couple of klezmer tunes I've written, but very much as an homage to the klezmer style. The first one is called Klezmic Rays, and the second is named after a young cat of mine who met a very unfortunate end, Electric Cat.
Thank you very much. We're going back to doing some Welsh material now. This is a song called Harbour Cork, Cork Harbour. Yn Harbour Cork yr oedd yn rhoi for y gyda dydd, a hogia bac rhoi for y gyda dydd. A'r pawb oedd yn y llaw yn doedden nhw neb yn bryd, a hogia bac doedden nhw neb yn bryd. A Richard meddai Morris, a Morris meddai Twm, a hogia bac mae Morris meddai Twm. Wel in i'r eithio hwyliau cyn del y tawydd trwm, a hogia bac cyn del y tawydd trwm. Back a Morris, mae'n bwgydd gwynt y glaw, a hogia bac mae'n bwgydd gwynt y glaw. Daw a cesig gwynion allan, y Tom yn ateb taw, a hogia bac mae Tom yn ateb taw. Dawynt yn ôl y gogledd cawn eto tawydd teg, a hogia bac tawn eto tawydd teg. A bydd y llong yn cerdded ag asgwrn yn a cheg, a hogia bac ag asgwrn yn a cheg. Sticking with the Welsh theme and the sea theme, we're going to do another Welsh language song. This is Llongau Carnarvon.
It's a lovely song that the words are written by Jane Glyn Davis, who thought there weren't enough Welsh sea songs. And the tune is actually a Norwegian tune.
ti fynd yn Caerdydd Cnafon. Dechrau peder golau melon ar yw gwch a gwyn, glawyd sŵn ar rafau wedyn. Tog daws dewa, bag yw toio, golau gwydd ar weliau hydd fynd hebio. Tog daws dewa, bag yw toio, golau gwydd ar weliau hydd fynd hebio. Olaf am hopslong a hyd y haber, os nell ddeu I hogan fynd fel llonga, I cael splentio'r off ar rifio, I cael dysgu llwio, I cael mynd mewn cwch a sgwylio. O'n achoni, fynd yn llongwyr, o hoff longain llwythio yn y haber. O'n achoni, fynd yn llongwyr, o hoff longain llwythio yn y haber.
Oh, Nigon. Okay. Yep.
Thank you very much. We're going to up the tempo a little bit more now, get you in the mood for Phantom. These are a couple more klezmer tunes, Nigon Attic and Dance Dance. Thank you very much for staying and listening. I think your bell is gone, but you've still got time to get in. And we're going to give you another of George's great, rather bluesy songs.
This is Blue Melody. Blue Melody. You walk so tall, you have no fear. You'll take a fall without a tear. But you're so frail, you'll be the death of me. I remember a blue melody. I've traveled far, you do not know the things I've seen. But even so, you show me things that I've never seen. And I remember the blue melody. Oh, when you smile, I know that I could never leave you. And when you lie, I want to believe you. When I feel down, I could not be without my friends or family. Though some have gone, you're here with me. I remember the blue melody. When you smile, I know that I could never leave you. When you lie, I want to believe you. When I feel down, I could not be without my friends or family. Though some have gone, you're here with me. I remember a blue melody. Yes, I remember a blue melody. We have to play one more song and go, which should, in theory, still give you time to get in on time. And we're going to finish off with Mizzaloo and McCuncliffe. McCuncliffe is a Welsh track which Helen has klezmerised the central section of. It's also on our latest CD. And there's another CD as well, and they're only £5, so come and see us afterwards if you want one of those. And if you just want to look us up on the internet, we are Fiddle Box.
And if anyone's from the north, we're playing in Aberystwyth Arts Centre next Thursday, so do come along and see us again. And if you just want to come and hand us money, that's fine, you know. Really, anything like this is good. Okay, I think that's clear enough. This is Mizzaloo. Major.
Thank you for dancing, brilliant.
Diolch yn fawr iawn pawb, mwynhau ar y noswaith.